Hey guys, today we're going to teach you how to make a traditional Guatemalan dish, pollo en crema. To get started, heat up a large skillet with 4 tablespoons of oil of your choice. Saute 2 large chopped white onions. We use 6 boneless diced chicken thighs, but you can use whatever chicken you have on hand. For seasoning, we use 3 tablespoons of chicken bouillon, or CONSOME in Spanish. For typical Guatemalan dishes, we recommend this bouillon as it is a staple in Guatemalan cuisine and one we normally use for our dishes. Once you see the chicken release its own broth, throw in 3 crushed garlic cloves. Cook the chicken on low heat for 5 minutes. Add in 3 peeled and semi-thinly sliced potatoes. Cover your pot and allow to cook for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, add thinly sliced red peppers. Add half a bar or 4 ounces of cream cheese. We recommend cutting your cream cheese into cubes to help it melt faster. Add 1 cup of sour cream. Add 1 cup of Central American cream, or crema in Spanish, which you can find in most Hispanic supermarkets. If you can't find crema, add an additional cup of sour cream. Next, we add 8 sliced baby portobello mushrooms. And lastly, salt and pepper to your liking. Cook on medium-low for 5 minutes. This is our mother's recipe, and growing up it was one of our favorite dishes. We hope you guys give it a try. Don't forget to comment and subscribe, and we will see you in our next video.